Hello everyone, you're watching HMJ Study Channel. Today we'll see Class 8th Maths Chapter 13 Congruence of Triangles, and in it we'll study 13.1 practice set. We already have studied in the video of Introduction to Congruence of Triangles the test of congruence of triangles. So it is applied in this video. We'll just repeat it in short. We have seen the test of congruency. So the very first test of congruence of triangle is SAS test. SAS means side angle side test. In these two triangles, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and in between these two angles are congruent. The names are ABC, PQ, R. So the identical marks shows the test of congruence. You can say side angle side angle side. So on the basis of SAS test, these two triangles are congruent. Again, the next test we studied was SSS test, means side test. Here in these two figures, in these two triangles, the names are again ABC and PQR. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. So based on the sides, because three sides of this triangle is congruent with three sides of this triangle, therefore these two triangles are congruent on the basis of side test. The third test was ASA test, means angle side angle test. Again, these two triangles, the names are ABC, PQR. This angle is congruent to this angle. These are the identical marks. This side is equal to this side. This angle is equal to this angle. So on the basis of identical marks, you can say angle side angle side angle. So based on angle side angle test, these two triangles are congruent. Again, the fourth test was AAS test. It is also known as SAA test, means angle side. So angle side means this angle is congruent to this angle is congruent to this angle, this side is equal to this side. Again, ABC triangle, PQR triangle. Here in this, angle side. So again, angle side. Based on angle side, these two triangles are congruent. The fifth test was hypotenuse side test. It is applied for 90-degree angle, means right angle triangle. It is identified this with this mark that these triangles are right angle triangle. Here, if a hypotenuse and a side of triangle are congruent with the corresponding hypotenuse and side of triangle, these two triangles will be congruent based on hypotenuse side test. Okay, so let's start with the question. With the first practice set, 13.1. Observe the question, read it. In each pair of triangles in the following figures, parts bearing identical marks are congruent. State the test and correspondence of vertices by which triangles in each pair are congruent. Okay, so let's start with first figure. Observe the figure. In this, two triangles are joined with WZ side. It means the WZ side is common and congruent. So you can observe this side is congruent to this side with this identical marks. These two angles are congruent and this common side is all again congruent. So based on side angle side test, these two triangles are congruent. In your solution, how will you write? The triangles are congruent by side angle side test, means SAS test under the correspondence. Okay, how to write the correspondences? We'll start with XWZ. XWZ corresponds with YWZ. YWZ. This will be the way to write the corresponds. Okay, so this was the solution for first one. Observe the second figure now. Which side, which test it goes for? Observe the figure. You can see 90-degree angle means right angle triangle. Both the triangles are right angle triangle. It means hypotenuse side theorem. See whether it applies or not. This is your hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse with the identical marks. You can say that these hypotenuse are congruent. Again, this one side is common for both the triangles. It means this is also congruent. So hypotenuse and one side is congruent. It means these two triangles are congruent on the basis of hypotenuse side test. So again you will write the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test under the correspondence. So again write the correspondence. How will you write? You will start with K. K, I, J. So K, I, J corresponds with, start from here, L, I, J. Corresponds with L, I, J. Go for third figure. Observe it. You can see one identical mark for a side, again one for this side. It means one side. This two marks shows that these different sides are congruent. So again S for side. Again this is common side. So this is also congruent. So SSS test. The triangles are congruent by SSS test, means side test under the correspondence. Again write the correspondence. How will you write? You will start from HEG. So HEG corresponds with FGE. So FGE. Now the fourth one. Observe again the fourth figure. You can see S, identical mark with O. It means angle. Two angles are given and in between side is given. So this side is congruent. So I'll write S here. Again this is the angle. You can see in both the figure two angles and in between one side. So angle side angle test. The triangles are congruent by ASA test. Under the correspondence, write the correspondence of it. You will start from S. SMA. So SMA corresponds with, you have started with this identical mark. So again start with this identical mark, OPT. So OPT. Okay, now go for fifth question. Again observe the figure. Can you find for it? You can see angle angle. So one angle, here again angle, angle, again one angle, and a side. So side. Either you write AAS test or SAA test. Side, angle, side. Okay. So the triangles are congruent by side angle angle test or angle angle side test, SAA or SAAS. Under the correspondence, so write the correspondences. How will you write? You will again start with M. Okay, MTN. MTN. So MTN corresponds with STN. STN. Okay, that's it about practice set 13.1. We'll soon meet with 13.2. Thank you.